So I lived my whole life knowing that I was gay. However, I struggled deeply with that. I grew up in a really traditional, old-fashioned Albanian immigrant family, and it's just something that is unaccepted. I used to pray every day when I went to bed. I used to beg. I used to beg God every night to make me straight when I wake up. And I did that for years, up until I was probably 21 years old. I'm Mario, and I'm the founder of Makeup by Mario. I was born and raised in the Bronx. I always felt that I was different from the boys in school. I was quite quiet as a child. I didn't want to express myself because I was afraid of being teased, because I was a little bit more effeminate. So at the age of 17, when I passed by a Sephora, I remember I walked in, I said, oh my God, this is where I want to apply, and I did. I knew that I wanted to be there because I saw people like myself. I felt accepted there. I felt nurtured there. I felt like I belonged. They put me at the front door in the beginning, but my managers, they encouraged me to do makeup and to be great at makeup. And I remember I got to do my first makeover at Sephora. And I just had, again, like this epiphany. It's like, oh my God, I think that this is going to be my career. At Sephora, I was completely 100% myself, yet I had to hide that from my family. Because I had brushes and I had eyeshadows, I had basically essentially a little mini makeup kit. I used to hide that in a shoebox in the closet. And I got home one day and my mother and sister and family were in the living room, and they confronted me with the box. And I just literally started crying, and I took the box with me. It was the only thing I took, and I ran away from home. No one was going to take that one thing away from me. I had finally found a purpose in my life, but I just knew at that time that I would never be able to be publicly gay. I said I would die before I did that. I have to be honest with you guys and tell you all something. I stand here for the first time in my life, a proud 37-year-old gay man. Last year, and I publicly came out. Something that really 2 months prior I would have never in my life dared. I felt for the first time in my life proud of myself. I started at Sephora 20 years ago, and now, 20 years later, I have my own brand in Sephora, a completely full circle and dream come true. When I went into Sephora and I saw the finished results, like, I started crying and my mom started crying, because I think it hit her in that moment as well, that I had finally achieved that dream, and quite possibly one of the most special, beautiful and fulfilling moments of my life. I can now live the life that I deserve, and I'm proud of myself. I'm finally happy to be me.